my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. You guys, in today's vlog, we are getting back on track. I am determined to have the best week ever, which includes prepping properly. So today, you guys, we are going to do just that. We're gonna prep. Today is actually Monday. I think it's around like 3 or 4 o'clock. I actually work from home on Monday, so your girl just finished up work. Now I am about to head to the store because we are going to meal prep today. That is extremely important. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do a salmon dish, but I don't know what I really want to do with it. Maybe some type of potato. I love potatoes. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the store and let's get this productive week started. Okay, we got our sunglasses. I have my purse. I feel like this is like my grocery shopping purse because it's like a crossbody bag and it's super small and it's just perfect to carry around. And I don't have to put it in the cart. Y'all, let me know in the comments down below, is anybody else paranoid about leaving their purse in carts? Like, I can just never comfortably put my purse in the cart and shop. Like, I need it to be attached to me when I'm in the grocery store. But yeah, so I have that. I think I got my keys. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention to you guys, we are heading to the gym tonight. We're going to the gym tonight. Your girl is back being like a night owl and I'm so freaking excited. Y'all, got the shades, got the keys. Let's go to the store. Okay guys, coming to you live from the grocery store. Fun fact, there was a lady who, I think she was, I don't know if she was talking to y'all, she was like, "You're bad." And if that was you, thank you ma'am. I'm so sorry, I was on my phone and I was not paying attention, but I think that's what she said. So thank you to the sweet lady. We're just gonna get some healthy things. Protein, like I told you guys, and then some sides for my meal prep. Because we gotta get it right, get it tight. This is a sign of maturity. I'm wanting to get some yogurt and I actually hate yogurt. Like if you know me, you know I hate yogurt. So y'all comment down below and let me know what your favorite is. I'm just gonna try and see. I feel like I've seen this one. I've seen this one a lot, but I know it's gross because it's 000. And oh yeah, they have a vanilla too. I forgot they have a vanilla, but you guys, I just don't think I'm gonna like this. So do a different brand. Go classic Yoplait? I don't know. I might try Yoplait again. Just get our feet wet. And just to get my feet wet and like remember my roots. Okay y'all, this I can drink by the gallon. This stuff is so good. I'm in the protein aisle. You guys, sad face, all they have is this core power left. Fun fact, I do not like this one just because I hate artificial banana flavor. The one that I'm looking for is also down. So yeah, since my flavor is gone, we're gonna have to go to another store, but I think we're done here, so I'll go check out. But okay y'all, I had to clean my lens because I could see like there was something on there. Like I told you guys, we are going to Walmart because I think Walmart is going to have the core power and the protein oatmeal that I'm looking for. Unfortunately, it is rush hour right now. Like it's literally 4:42. So not a great time to go to the store, but we're doing it. We're getting it done. I'm about to pull up at the Walmart now. We're going to get in, get out, and go home, and we're going to prep this food. We found it, y'all. Not this one. Actually, this one. This stuff so good and it's $1. Why was that a low-key fail? I was able to get the protein oatmeal. They didn't have the core power and your girl is tired. I'm not going anywhere else, so I will just have to go pick that up tomorrow. But something is better than nothing, baby. We're still on a roll here. We're still on a roll. So now I'm gonna head back home, get changed for the gym, and then meal prep. I'm sure y'all know the drill by now. I'm gonna put up the groceries really quickly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change for the gym because I was thinking about it. I was like, if I go ahead and meal prep now, I'm probably gonna try to make an excuse not to go tonight, which is ridiculous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change so that once I get done with the meal prep, I have no excuses. I'm already dressed. We'll just walk out the door, you know? I'm actually really nervous to try this yogurt. I felt brave in the store and now I'm looking at it and I'm like, ugh. But I'm still gonna try it. I'm still gonna try it. I'm going to give it a go, I swear. But I think I'm gonna try it after, I think I might try this after my workout today. Okay y'all, dishes are put up. Let's get changed for the gym. Okay guys, she's changed. outfit change, and I have on one of my favorite like Honor Active sets. So like I'm wearing the effortless leggings and this little halter top. I can't remember what the top is called, but I know that I have a size medium in both. Really cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, y'all, but enough on the outfit. It's time to get to our meal prep. You guys, don't laugh. You're already laughing. Already laughing, girl. Ah! Here's the funny thing. So I thought that I had 4 pieces of salmon left that was gonna get me through the week. I've got 3. So we're just gonna make 3. And that's gonna be better than nothing. And then tomorrow, I'm going to buy another set of meal prep and do that. Because I just have to be difficult with myself, obviously. I'm gonna use the meal prep mostly for like my lunch at work for the next couple of days, because I only work from home 3 days a week. So there's 2 days where I go in, and then the other one I'll just have lunch here. So I'm planning on having the oatmeal for breakfast, starting off bright and early with my protein shake. So oatmeal, protein shake for breakfast, lunch, salmon, potatoes, and then dinner is the mystery item right now. But I just needed to get the lunch part done because that's where I tend to not eat, is in the middle of the day. Like I'll eat my little breakfast and then I will catch myself not wanting to eat again until like later at night. I have to have my in-between meals ready so that I don't have an excuse to skip a meal. The key to life is knowing yourself, you guys. Anyways, let's cook this fish, these potatoes, before we go to the gym.
Not know what you just thought. Me and my bitch go north. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on she regardless. Get my goon and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making moves, being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga. No, I keep saying free little folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I land on them folks. Do what I want, I'm pressure. Don't follow the rules, I'm rebel. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like heaven. Oh, God. You a bum ass bitch, you messy. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm petty. Line in the bitch up, I'm ready. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds hurt. And all these members 32. Smiling in my nigga, ho. Knock out all your 32. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar. Sweet sport, I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. Glock 19, it came with a drum, yeah.
I guess while I wait, I'm going to have some of my naked juice because this stuff is like the best stuff in the world. I literally am obsessed with it. And I remember the first time I had it, I was like, why are you drinking something that thick? But y'all, it's so good. So good.
I'm popping this so hard cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want stupid bitch.
Okay, you guys, the prep is done. Lunch for the week. I am very happy with this. Okay, I have to let this sit out. I'm gonna put the tops on, but I'm not gonna put them in the fridge just yet because I'm gonna leave them out for like an hour, as long as my gym session goes, and then I'll come back and put them in the fridge because they're just too hot to refrigerate. But your girl's excited. Your girl has made it back home, and I feel like I didn't get good footage at the gym. Y'all, I'm looking back at it now and I'm like, the angle was off. I think I was just so focused on getting my workout in. I wasn't really, you know, I wasn't in super record mode there, but I did get a couple clips, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see next. Make sure you guys subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.